And here's I will show you how to fix send and receive iMessage not working on iPhone. So as you can see, whenever I try to send any new iMessage, we can see not delivered showing. So the first solution is we have to check our internet working perfectly or not. So open your iPhone control center, and here if you're using Wi-Fi, then turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data. And if you're using cellular, then turn off cellular and switch to Wi-Fi, and make sure your internet is working perfectly. Then go back to your message app and retry to send any message and check the issue. If you're still having the same error, then we have to turn on airplane mode for 20 seconds. So open your control center and enable airplane mode. After 20 seconds, turn off the airplane mode and reconnect to the internet and check the issue. And the second solution is make sure you have enabled iMessage. So go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on apps. Here scroll down and tap on messages. And here make sure you have enabled iMessage option and tap on send and receive. And here make sure to select your iCloud number or email address. And after that, go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is we have to turn off VPN. So if you're using any VPN, then go to your iPhone settings, and under these cellular section, here you'll find the VPN option. Just disable your VPN and then check the issue. The next solution is we have to reset our network settings. So go to your iPhone settings app and tap on general. Here tap on transfer reset iPhone, reset, and tap on reset network settings. And after that, reconnect to your internet and go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is we have to update our iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings app, tap on general, software update. Here if you see new update available, then update the new iOS version, and then go to your message app and retry to send the message and check the issue. And the last and final solution is we have to turn off our iPhone content and privacy restrictions mode. So go to your iPhone settings and this time tap on screen time, and here tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on disable content and privacy restrictions option from here. Enter here your screen time passcode to confirm, and now give a simple restart. Once you successfully restart your iPhone, go back to your message app, go to the conversation and try to send the message again and check the issue. Thanks for watching.